Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, and it is a red schedule day. I am Harper Lambert, and let's please rise and say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's get to today's announcements. Food pickup is Monday and Wednesday from 9 to 11 in the morning. Any student can pick up breakfast and lunch for the week. Pickup locations are Dow Ave, Wanamassa, TOIS, Twinbrook, Middlebrook, and Continental Gardens. Go to oceanschools.org for more info. What I do to stay on top of all my work is I get up around 7 o'clock in the morning and I get ready for the day. And I do all my work in 1 to 2 sittings so I can relax the rest of the day. It's pretty good, and if you could just sit still and do all the work, it'll be really rewarding. And finally, Spartans, how are you keeping busy and safe during this period? Send a response or 30-second video of something you have created to The Ocean View at oceanschools.org, and we'll air it on the show. That's all for today, folks. We'll check in with you next time on The Ocean View. Bye!